Welcome to my YouTube channel Bojtech, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a robot. No, not that one, not that one. A easy, simple carton robot. And in order to do that, we need ruler, pen, pencil, needle for the joints, ruler and gum. So I will need the drawing of the body parts of the robot, which are these. These are the length, the body parts, and the numbers of what you need. And now we are going to cut it out. So now that we have cut out all the part of the robot, it's going to look like this. So now we are going to join everything together. Start from the chest, or you can start from anywhere you like. For me, I'm going to start from the chest. So now as you bring out the chest, you're going to join it with the side with your super glue. So you gently open it, put a little super glue right here, this. And you go. So now that you've gummed the side, you're going to gum the other side. Like this. So now that it has dried, you're going to gum it with this, the back of it. Other side, put it right here. So now you're going to join it with your other part gently and wait for it to dry. So after letting it dry, you're going to add the two ends. So you're going to gum it on it like this and so now that we have gummed the chest, we are going to gum the head. This. So put this over here, chest. So you're going to gum it like this and make sure it dries. So now we've gummed the front, we're going to gum the back. You can also use any shape you want, but me, I'm using triangle. We're going to allow it to dry. So now we'll gum it to this side like this. This is the side of the robot. So now that we have gummed this side, we're going to gum this other side. Cover it. So we're going to wait for it to dry. We're using super glue, so it will be very fast. So now that it has dried, we are going to gum the hand. Where's the hand? Where's the hand? So this is the hand. We're going to gum it together like this. So put super glue right here. So now we're going to gum it with this side like this. So once it dries, this is the up of it to right here. So it's not that equal. So now we're going to gum the side to the hand. make sure it's covered well. Like put this side, put it to here like this. So now we are going to join it to the other side like this and wait for it to dry. Sun dry. So now that you have dry, you're going to cover here like this. So you're going to use your super glue again. So this is the first hand. We are going to do the same thing for the second hand right here. So now let's do it. So now we have made the second hand. This robot is really looking good. So now we are going to make the leg. Let's go down there. So now this is the lap of the leg. It's not a lap of a chicken. So now we're going to join it this way like this. So you're going to use your super glue. Put it right here like this. This part, you're going to join all the other parts too, just like this. And when you are done, it's gonna look like this. This is wonderful. And look like this. These are the hands of the robot. These are the legs. The best. Okay. So it's gonna be like this when you are done. So perfect. So marvelous. This is the best carton robot. So now that we have made everything, we are going to make all the joints movable like a real robot, because this is a real robot. So now I'm going to carry the toothpick, add it to this place like this. I'm gonna do a hole there for it to penetrate into the second side like this. So you're going to chook it to this part of the robot. So now I've done it. So you carry your second hand also, carry a toothpick, chook it like that, make it penetrate into the second place, then chook it inside the robot. So now I'm going to do like this. So we are going to do the arm to be able to move. Which are these? You're going to carry your gum this place. You can use any shape you want. So you carry this, you put it right here like this, and you gum it. Pause. So when you are done, it's going to look like this. So you're going to do it with all the remaining parts. So now I'm going to show you guys how to join them together. We're going to start from the hand. We're going to do a hole like this, and take this, put it here. That's when you need your toothpick. Put it right here like this. Put it in here. So let's come out on the other side. So when you check it, you're going to do like this. So now dip your hand, so you put it here, then cut this piece out. The scissors, you can use anything you want. Now you have your first hand, so you do the same thing with the second hand. So now let's do the leg. Same thing. Carry the leg, carry the knee. Put your knee right here like this. Carry the leg like this. And put it inside like this. So this is how it's going to be after 10. So it's going to be like this for the leg to be able to move forward and backwards. So you do the same thing with other ones. So now we have made all the joints movable, we have made the hand movable, make the leg move. So it's going to be like this for the two hands. This is the leg, walk all around. So now we are going to gum it to the robots like this. So I want to gum it first. So now we have already made all the part of the robot movable. So the leg can move now, the hand can move. So now in the next video we're going to design the robot so that the robots will be able to be very fine. So now let's go and please subscribe, like and comment. Please check out my other YouTube video. Bye. Wee.